Welcome to Next Level English. In today's video, we're diving into 40 MCQs on prepositions of time and place. Test your knowledge and sharpen your grammar skills as we explore these key concepts together. 1. Correct preposition for the time: I will visit you. Monday. On. Tips: use on with days of the week. 2. Correct preposition for place: she is sitting. The chair. On. Tips: use on 4 surfaces like a chair or table. 3. Correct preposition for the time: he will arrive. 7 p.m. At. Tips: use it for specific times. 4. Choose the correct preposition for place: I left my keys. The table. On. Tips: use on 4 surfaces like tables. 5. Correct preposition for the time: the shop opens. 9 a.m. At. Tips: use it with specific times like 9 a.m. 6th. Correct preposition for the place: she is standing. The door. At. Tips: use at to refer to specific locations like a door. 7. Correct preposition for time: the class starts. 8:30 a.m. At. Tips: use it for precise times. 8. Correct preposition for time: I usually wake up. 6 a.m. At. Tips: use it for exact times. 9. Correct preposition for the time: he was born. 1995. In. Tips: use in 4 years. 10. Correct preposition for the place: the book is. The shelf. On. Tips: use on for something placed on a shelf. 11th. Correct preposition for time: we are meeting. Noon. At. Tips: use it with specific times like noon. 12th. Correct preposition for the time: I usually read. The morning. In. Tips: use in 4 parts of the day like morning. 13. Correct preposition for the time: we went on vacation. Summer. In. Tips: use in 4 seasons like summer. 14. Choose the correct preposition for place: she walked. The park. In. Tips: use in 4 enclosed spaces like parks. 15th. Correct preposition for time, the concert is Friday evening. On. Tips, use on with days and dates. 16th. Correct preposition for place, he placed the keys. The drawer. In. Tips, use in four enclosed spaces like drawers. 17. Choose the correct preposition for time, we will leave. 5 p.m. At. Tips, use it for specific times like 5 p.m. 18th. Correct preposition for place, I left my phone. My bag. In. Tips, use in four enclosed spaces like bags. 19th. Correct preposition for the time, she will arrive. The evening. In. Tips, use in four parts of the day like evening. 20th. Correct preposition for place, I saw her sitting. The bench. On. Tips, use on four surfaces like a bench. 21st. Correct preposition for time, the meeting is scheduled. 3 p.m. At. Tips, use at with specific times. 22. Correct preposition for place, they are waiting. The bus stop. At. Tips, use it for places like bus stops. 23. The meeting is scheduled. 3 p.m. At. Tips, use it for specific times. 24th. We went to the beach. The afternoon. In. Tips, use in four parts of the day. 25. The concert will be held Friday. On. Tips, use on 4 days of the week. 26. She was born July. In. Tips, use in 4 months. 27. They live a small village. In. Tips, use in 4 enclosed spaces. 28. The cat is sleeping. The sofa. On. Tips, use on 4 surfaces. 29. The book is the table. On. Tips, on indicates surface contact. 30. The picture is hanging. The wall. On. Tips on when something is attached to a surface. 31. He is waiting. The bus stop. At. Tips use it for specific locations. 32. The shop is located. The corner. At. Tips at 4 precise locations. 33. The cat hid. The bed. Under. Tips under indicates something is below another object. 34. The birds are flying. The trees. Over. Tips over when something is above and not touching. 35. We arrived. The evening. In. Tips use in 4 parts of the day, especially with evening. 36. I saw him yesterday. No prep. Tips time words like yesterday do not need prepositions. 37. The museum is. The bank. Beside. Tips beside indicates something is next to another object. 38. The 2 houses are each other. Between. Tips between is used when referring to 2 things. 39. They arrived. The same time. At. Tips use it when referring to exact moment. 40. I will finish the work. 2 hours. In. Tips in when referring to a period of time in the future. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to hit like, drop your answers in the comments below, and subscribe to Next Level English for more grammar tips and quizzes. Keep learning, and let's take your English to the next level.